Hey everyone, I am Father Abdul Aziz from Fajij Pro and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to show you how to turn off adaptive brightness or automatic brightness in Windows 10 or Windows 11 laptop. So click on the start menu, then I will open Intel Graphics Command Center app. So if you don't this app in your laptop, then go to the Microsoft Store and type Intel. Here you can see you need to install this software, Intel Graphics Command Center app. So this is the dashboard and I will click on the system. Then I will go to the power option. So in this on battery section, as you can see, the display power savings is turned on automatically. So you need to click on this to turn off, and your adaptive brightness or automatic brightness will turn off.